Hello, folks. So for our second week, we're going to expand on our Google Sites learning. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to open up a blank one. And the couple things that we're going to talk about this time around are the image carousel, a divider, YouTube, and map. And as I patiently wait for my computer to catch up to me, there we go. So don't forget the basic things. Make sure you're doing your untitled site up here. So I'm just going to do Christmas. And okay. If you want to choose a layout, again, that's fine. But I'm going to jump right to the actual inserting different things. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is your image carousel. It's a very simple tool. It basically is just it's going to let you choose an arrow to slide through different images. So I'm going to choose the plus sign here to add images. If I had my own images, I could choose upload. I'm going to choose select image because I'm going to do the Google search. And I'm going to do Christmas trees. So fun fact about Mrs. Oldham, I used to live on a Christmas tree farm and my husband was the manager, so I am weird and I know things about Christmas trees. So I'm going to choose a couple of random pictures here. And then I'm going to choose insert. If I needed to rearrange them, I could do that. I also have an option of adding text here so they can all be captioned. And then I'm going to choose insert. You'll see that the pictures are all inserted. And if I preview this real quick, just so you can kind of see a demonstration, what it'll do is it'll give you three little dots. So three, because that's how many pictures I have. And I have arrows that I can peruse through them. I'm going to close my preview. And what I want to do is I want to put a text box, and I'm going to move this right beside my image carousel. It'll let me, there we go. And I could type in my random facts that I know about Christmas trees. Like, for example, this is a wholesale truck that they're shipping out. That's a lot of employees. My husband never had that many employees. And then let's say that I wanted to provide some more information, such as maybe a Christmas tree farm that you could actually go to. I might want to include a divider. A divider is basically the equivalent of a horizontal rule. It's very faded there, but whenever you look at it, it's just going to be like a gray line that separates it. And then I'm going to start off with a map. So let's say that I'm looking for a specific map of a location. I'm not going to find a specific place, but I'm going to go to Shellsburg. Okay, so it puts a little place mark there that I can move around. So let's say that I've really pinpointed it and I have decided that this right here is my actual tree farm that I want to point out. Now I could have put in the specific, but I'm just, for speed purposes, I'm just doing this. So I drop my place mark here. If I wanted to drop another, I could. If I needed to zoom out or zoom in, I could. And then once I've got all that set, I can choose select. It'll automatically add it to my web page. And then if I needed to, I could put another text box and I could move it so that it was beside it. And maybe this is me, like, you know, giving instructions from I-99 or something like that. The other component that I want to show you is YouTube. So I'm just going to, because I have a lot on this page, I'm going to make a new page here. I know that that's sloppy, but I'm going to insert and then I'm going to choose YouTube. And I can choose Christmas songs. and I can find whatever one I'm thinking is fabulous and I want to sing along to, and I choose it, and I choose select. Now if I preview my page, we'll be able to see all these different things that I have happening here. Here's my songs page. I've got my Merry Christmas. If I click on it, it's going to start to play. And then if I go back to my home page, you'll see my pictures. I can carousel through the images. And I could have adjusted the size of that as well. And then here's my map, and I can get directions. If I had text here, I might put on there, you know, turn right at the third pine tree. I don't know. So that is the new things that we're going to talk about: image carousel, the divider, the YouTube, and the map, which I did not point out the divider very well. So let me just kind of go back here and point out that this little line here that's going across, this is our divider. Again, just like a horizontal rule, nothing too special about it. So you are going to be creating 4 pages. Now, one of you had already done Christmas, so I hope I'm not infringing upon your ideas, but I'm thinking Christmas could actually be like a really easy topic. It's easy to make 4 pages about, because you could easily do Christmas trees, you could do Christmas traditions, you could do traditions in other countries, you could do about Christmas songs, you could do about Christmas pageants. I think the possibilities are endless. Decorations, and lots of images available for that particular topic as well. Yes, you can use other sources. If you are like taking information from another page, make sure that you're actually giving credit to that page by doing a hyperlink, which if you remember how to do the hyperlink, you highlight the text, you choose the link icon, and then you can just copy and paste the actual website that you got it from. Okay. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to either pop into office hours, or if it doesn't work for in the morning, you can just say I need to meet, and then we can use that office hour link pretty much any time of the day. You just need to kind of let me know, or you can email me or text me or whatever might be more convenient for you. Let me know how you're doing, and if you have any questions, give a shout out. Thank you.